Yeah, okay, you can go back. Then, the caterpillar takes 10 to 15 days to eat leaves. That's why later we'll see a big caterpillar. So white butterfly, that is the paper kite, or Egyptis yung scientific name. The local name, paper kite. And the lifespan of the butterfly is only 1 month. But the male butterfly, he doesn't
1 month
live
lang.
for 1 month because once he mate, after 2 days or 48 hours of mating process, when they will separate, the male butterfly will be dead. Just like this.
Where are the other lights right here?
Yeah, the pupa or chrysalis, later we will go to the pupa station also.
Where are the pupas? There are no pupas around.
Because the pupa will need to supply the pupa or chrysalis. This is the also caterpillar here, the big caterpillar. Because once the caterpillar... You want to touch it? Yeah, you want to touch? They're soft only. So here.
Tano?
Oh, come on.
Look at him. Look here.
They are not same as the moth, na they are itchy.
Go dito.
But butterfly,
Are they itchy?
no,
Put your hand.
just like this.
I don't want to put my
Touch it first. Yeah, soft, right?
That's all.
To unlock. To unlock. Dali.
Come on.
Nathan.